Good morning. Good morning. This is how I went to bed last night. A bonnet, my satin line cap over braids that I've been wearing now for at least 24 hours. And I'm going out this morning very early, so I'm taking them out. And I want to thank you, subscribers, as always, for supporting me. Thank you for all that you do to support me and my channel. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, I'm asking you to join. I'm inviting you to join the Gene G family. Come on, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Now I'm going to quickly take out these braids. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. And I especially love God. Oh, because He's been so good to me. Yes, He has. As I was taking my hair out, I was thinking about my family and my friends and just the blessings of God. In addition to that, I was thinking about what my plans are for my hair. And so in the future, I plan to try to gather some opinions about what I plan to do for my hair. So in an upcoming video, you're going to see exactly what my family thinks. And when I say my family, this time I'm talking about my biological family, what they think about me cutting my hair. And I just want to hear their opinions, and I'm going to share that with you. And now, my 360. Have a great day. This Braidout is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm saying that because it is. And I thank God for it.